Pretty intense pop-up storms around the Bay State tonight.
Yeah, we had some lightning, some hail. It sat down on some towns for quite some time, Eric.
Yeah, this is like a Florida day where you kind of started out warm and humid. You saw the towers go up, the clouds building, and then now down comes all the rain. What goes up has to come down. Some big storms around the area. And here's a look at our live Doppler radar. Some very heavy rain, especially from areas around Boston, westbound. South and east will stay mainly dry this evening, but a cluster of really heavy rain gathering from the Worcester area through Metro West and over toward downtown Boston. We zoom in. The one warning in effect right now, this orange square, up until 6 o'clock, a severe thunderstorm warning, meaning there could be some hail up to 1 inch in diameter. And right now, the leading edge of that is in the Millis area and heading its way through Medway, heavy rainfall. Right now, it looks like the intensity of this has come down a little bit, so I think maybe some marble-sized hail might be falling in that storm. Then we've got some heavy rainfall that continues to fall on the expressway and down toward Milton and Quincy. Seeing some downpours, parts of Dorchester around the lower falls, seeing some heavy rainfall. And this will be the case as we head into the next couple of hours. Scattered heavy downpours up until about 9, and then everything is going to dissipate after that. I think there could be some delays to start the game at Fenway tonight. I think they will play the game because we will dry out as we head later on into the evening. And if we zip a little bit farther off toward the west, still some heavy downpours in central Massachusetts around Worcester and heading up toward the Fitchburg area. So what we've been tracking is basically a light show and a hail show across the region. This one from Kim Capobianco in Boston. Big old lightning strike coming right down behind the middle of the city. Pretty dramatic looking picture there. And just use some caution if you're heading out and traveling. If you can avoid it around these heavier downpours for a while, a good way to go. Still some flash flood warnings where we've seen some big rain totals around Fitchburg, also into parts of Metro West. That downpour producing some high rain totals. And the south side of Boston down toward Quincy. 3 spots where we have the highest risk of some flash flooding in the next hour or so. Also could see some of that hail. Damaging wind gusts, not a huge issue, but a few down trees will be possible in any of these storms that do develop. And a flash flood watch stays up until 8 o'clock this evening. After that, there'll be a very quick weakening trend. One thing that doesn't go away, the humidity. Dew points are near 70. Very steamy night expected here after some brief relief from those storms. So here's a look at the timeline. You see as we approach 9 o'clock, the last batch gets to about Providence and then gone. I think anywhere from Taunton, south and east, staying dry tonight. Early tomorrow morning, there might be a quick shower across Cape Cod and the islands, but it'll be a mainly hazy and warm and dry start to the day. So tonight, we're looking at upper 60s, some patchy fog, very humid outside. Tomorrow morning, warm, muggy, that slight chance of a shower toward the Cape. Tomorrow afternoon, the clouds build again. And again, we're in the 80s. Again, it's humid outside. The storms will have much less aerial coverage tomorrow, so a slight chance of a pop-up thunderstorm. If you're going to be outside, just keep an eye to the sky as temperatures again climb well up into the 80s. Again, they miss the Cape, the islands, the south coast. We're near 80. We're muggy. We're warm Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Meanwhile, in the Lakes region, we're talking about an afternoon storm each day for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. None of them are washouts, but it's warm. It's humid. Temps in the 80s. Some scattered thunder. When do we clear the air? It's Saturday. Cold front moves through. Right now, it looks like most of the energy goes toward northern New England, so we get a slight chance of a shower or storm, and then drier air rushes in for Sunday. So here's your 7-day outlook, and I think Sunday's the pick of the weekend, although Saturday is no washout, and overall, it looks like a pretty good year for the PMC. I think, again, an isolated shower in the afternoon.
Not too bad at all. Pretty good lineup there.
All right, Eric, thank you so much. On today's Money.